Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk Easy English Podcast, where learning English is simple and fun.
Hi, Jessica. Hello to all our amazing listeners. It feels great to be here again.
It really does. How are you doing today, Jack?
I'm doing great, thank you. I had my breakfast and a big cup of coffee.
Ah, coffee, the fuel for English learners.
Yes, I need it before we start learning.
Perfect. So, what's our topic for today?
I think we're talking about small talks, everyday English conversations, right?
Exactly. Today we'll learn small talks in English for daily life. These are short, friendly conversations you can have anywhere, at the coffee shop, in a store, at work, or even while waiting for the bus.
Oh, nice. That's so useful.
Yes, small talks help you sound natural and confident when you speak English.
I like that. I want to sound natural.
And you will. So, everyone listening, are you ready?
Ready?
Great, let's begin. Imagine you are in a coffee shop. You want to order a drink. Let's practice.
Okay, I'll try.
I'm the barista. You are the customer. Go.
Hello, can I have one coffee, please?
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
It's a warm day. I'll have an iced coffee, please.
Great choice. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
A medium, please.
Perfect. Anything else?
Yes, maybe a cookie?
One cookie and one medium iced coffee. That's $6.
Here you are.
Thank you. Your coffee will be ready soon.
That was fun.
Yes, these are super useful phrases. Can I have, please? Would you like? Here you are. Have a nice day. Now, everyone listening, repeat after me. Can I have one coffee, please?
Can I have one coffee, please?
Would you like it hot or iced?
Would you like it hot or iced?
Great job. See? Easy and friendly. Okay, Jack. Now let's go shopping.
Oh no, I always buy too many shirts.
That's okay. Let's practice English, not shopping control. I'm the shop assistant. You are the customer. Ready?
Ready.
Hello, can I help you?
Hello, yes please. I'm looking for a t-shirt.
Sure. What color do you like?
I like blue or green.
Here is a nice blue one. What do you think?
Ooh, I love this color. What size is it?
Medium. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Where is the fitting room?
It's over there.
Okay, it fits perfectly.
It looks great on you.
Thank you. How much is it?
It's $15.
I'll take it.
Great. Will you pay by cash or card?
Card, please.
Excellent. Those are everyday sentences. Let's review. Say it with me. Can I help you? I'm looking for. Can I try it on? How much is it? I'll take it.
Easy and fun.
Yes, when you practice, your brain remembers faster. Let's practice meeting someone new, maybe at a party or a new class.
Okay, this is always a bit scary for me.
That's normal. Let's make it easy. Hi, my name is Jessica.
Hi, Jessica. I'm Jack. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you enjoying the party?
Yes, it's fun. The music is great.
Where are you from, Jack?
I'm from London. And you?
I'm from Canada. What do you do?
I'm a student. I love learning languages.
That's awesome. See, small talks are simple, just short questions. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? Do you like it here?
These are great conversation starters.
Now, let's make a plan with a friend.
Okay.
Ring ring.
Hello.
Hi, Jack. It's Jessica. Are you free on Saturday?
Yes, I'm free in the afternoon.
Great. Do you want to go to the park?
That sounds nice.
What time is good for you?
2 p.m. is perfect.
Okay, let's meet at the big clock tower near the park.
Perfect. See you then.
Excellent. Listeners, try saying, "Are you free on Saturday?" "Do you want to?" "What time is good for you?" Let's meet at.
Easy, natural, and polite.
Every conversation must end politely.
Right. No walking away silently.
Exactly. You can say, "I have to go now. It was nice to talk to you. See you later. Have a great day."
Okay, let's try.
"I have to go now, Jack."
Oh no, it was so nice to talk to you, Jessica.
It was nice to talk to you too. Let's review everything we learned today.
Okay.
We practiced ordering coffee, shopping for clothes, meeting new people, making plans, saying goodbye politely. Wow, that's a lot of English practice.
Yes, and it was fun and easy.
Remember, everyone, small talks make big confidence.
Try speaking every day, even short sentences.
Exactly. The more you practice, the better you sound.
Thank you all for listening to Talk Easy American English Podcast.
Don't forget to follow, like, and share this episode with a friend.
And tell us, where do you practice your English? In a cafe? At work? With friends?
Write it in the comments. That's great practice too.
Perfect. Have a wonderful day, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye for now.